California is famous for its coastline. Here, mountains rise up and touch the Pacific Ocean in a breathtaking display of nature's power and beauty. Along this edge of the continent, rocky cliffs plunge into blue water. Forested hills roll down to hidden beaches. The air smells of salt and pine, and the sound of waves thunders from below. It is a place where land and sea meet in dramatic fashion. Early in the morning, fog creeps through the canyons and softens the sharp outlines of cliffs. Sunsets paint the water gold and orange. These sights are unforgettable for anyone who visits. The meeting of mountain and ocean creates a landscape that is wild and wonderful. But beyond the postcard views, something deeper happens here. The coast is alive. Birds soar overhead, searching for fish. Sea otters float among kelp forests. Hawks nest in lonely pines. This is a world shaped by wind, water, and time. A secret world, waiting to be discovered. California's secret coast is a gift. It is a place to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to wonder at the beauty that nature has made. It is more than just a line on a map. It is the meeting point of the Earth's greatest forces. Most people know about California's famous coasts. Places like Big Sur, Malibu, and Santa Monica attract millions each year. They are beautiful, but they are also crowded. Parking lots fill quickly, trails are busy, and beaches echo with noise. Sometimes, it feels hard to connect with nature when so many people are around. Hidden gems offer something different. These are the quiet places tucked away from the main highways. They are spots that locals may cherish, but few tourists ever find. Here, the trails are empty. The beaches feel untouched. The sound of rushing waves is not broken by crowds. These secret places give us the chance to see California's wild side. The land is raw and unspoiled. Each bend in the trail brings a new view. You might find a small cove where seals play, or a high bluff covered in bright wildflowers. The experience is personal and peaceful. Exploring these hidden coasts is also a way to help nature. By spreading out our visits, we reduce our impact on crowded spots. We give overused trails time to heal. And best of all, we learn to love new parts of the coastline, places that are just as beautiful as the famous ones. One of California's true hidden gems is the Point Buchan Trail. It lies just south of Morro Bay, near the small town of Los Osos. This trail is less known because it is on land owned by a power company, but it is open to visitors who sign in at the gate. The hike is about 6 miles round trip, and every step is packed with beauty. The trail follows the edge of steep, rugged bluffs. Below, the Pacific crashes against rocks with powerful force. In spring, fields of wildflowers explode in color. You'll see orange poppies, purple lupine, and golden yarrow swaying in the breeze. The air feels fresh and cool, even on sunny days. As you hike, keep your eyes open for wildlife. Peregrine falcons dart overhead. Ground squirrels scamper among the rocks. Sometimes you might spot gray whales spouting offshore during their migration. Tide pools below the cliffs are full of starfish and crabs. The Point Buchan Trail feels like a secret garden perched above the sea. It is wild, peaceful, and full of life. If you come here, remember to stay on the trail and respect the signs. This helps keep the land healthy for the plants and animals that live here. Far to the north, there is a coastline so wild that few roads reach it. This is the Lost Coast, one of the last truly untouched stretches of California's shore. It runs from the town of Rockport to Shelter Cove, a place where mountains drop straight into the sea, and the only way to explore is by foot. The Lost Coast is famous for its sense of isolation and freedom. Black sand beaches stretch for miles, bordered by steep green hills. Waves thunder against rocks and mist hangs in the air. The trails here are remote, often muddy, and sometimes challenging. But the reward is a sense of adventure and solitude you won't find anywhere else. This coast is home to unique wildlife. Roosevelt elk graze in the meadows. Harbor seals rest on empty beaches. In the forested hills you might hear the call of a northern spotted owl. The plant life is lush and diverse, with redwoods, ferns, and wild berries lining the trails. If you visit the Lost Coast, come prepared. Pack out everything you bring and leave no trace. The land is fragile, and its wildness depends on visitors respecting its peace. For those who love nature, there is no place quite like the Lost Coast. Montaña de Oro State Park, near the town of Los Osos, is a place of golden hills and secret beaches. Its name means Mountain of Gold, named for the bright wildflowers that cover the slopes in spring. Here, the mountains come right down to the ocean, creating a dramatic landscape of cliffs, canyons, and sandy coves. The park has miles of trails for hiking, biking, and horseback riding. One popular path, the Bluff Trail, winds along the edge of the cliffs. From here, you can see tide pools filled with colorful sea life and watch pelicans soar over the waves. Quiet beaches like Spooner's Cove offer protected spots for picnics and tide pooling. Montaña de Oro is rich in plant life. Coastal sagebrush and wildflowers blanket the hills, while eucalyptus groves provide cool shade. You might spot black-tailed deer in the meadows or listen to the call of the California quail. Along the shore, look for sea otters playing in the kelp. This park is a reminder of how beautiful and peaceful the coast can be. It's really a place to walk slowly, to listen to the wind, and to marvel at the colors of land and sea. Always stay on marked trails to protect the delicate plants and animals that make this park special. Just north of Santa Cruz lies Wilder Ranch State Park. This is a place where history and wild beauty meet. The park was once a dairy farm, and you can still see old barns and gardens near the entrance. But walk beyond the buildings, and you find open meadows, dramatic bluffs, and quiet beaches. The coastal trail here is gentle and easy to follow. It winds past wildflower-filled fields and along the edge of sea cliffs. Look west, and you might spot dolphins leaping in the surf. In spring, the meadows are alive with California poppies, buttercups, and blue lupines. Wilder Ranch is home to many animals. Watch for rabbits and hawks in the grasslands. Along the ocean, harbor seals rest on rocky outcrops while pelicans and cormorants circle above. The tide pools here are rich with sea anemones, hermit crabs, and tiny fish. This park is perfect for families and anyone who loves easy walks with big views. Take care to close gates and follow park rules, as cattle sometimes graze in the fields. Respect the land, and it will reward you with endless beauty. California's secret coastlines are alive with wildlife and plants. Each hidden gem supports its own unique community. Along the bluffs, you might see black-tailed deer nibbling on grass. In the tide pools, colorful sea stars and tiny crabs hide between rocks. Birds are everywhere. Watch for peregrine falcons hunting above Point Buchan or pelicans gliding along the Lost Coast. Shorebirds like sandpipers and oystercatchers search for food on the beaches. In the hills, listen for the soft call of quail or the distant hoot of an owl. The plant life is just as rich. Wildflowers bloom in waves, painting the hills with color each spring. Coastal sagebrush and coyote brush cover the slopes, while rare plants like the endangered Monterey spineflower hide in the sandy soil. In shady groves, ferns and mosses thrive. These living things are what make the coast special. Their presence shows that the land is healthy and wild. By noticing them, we become closer to nature and learn why it is important to protect these places. When you visit California's hidden coast, you are a guest in a delicate world. It is important to explore with care. Stay on marked trails to avoid harming plants and soil. Never pick wildflowers or disturb animals. Leave rocks and shells where you find them. They are part of the ecosystem. Pack out everything you bring in. That means taking all your trash, food wrappers, and even crumbs. If you see litter, pick it up. Small actions like these help keep the coast clean and safe for wildlife. Respect signs and closures. Sometimes trails are closed to protect nesting birds or restore damaged land. Always follow the rules. If you bring your dog, keep it on a leash and clean up after it. Remember, your actions matter. The best way to protect nature is to leave it better than you found it. Share what you learn with others. Teach friends and family how to enjoy the coast without harming it. Together we can keep these secret places wild and beautiful for generations to come. California's secret coastlines are waiting for you. They are hidden treasures, full of beauty, peace, and adventure. Here, you can watch the sun rise over golden hills, listen to waves crash on empty beaches, and see wildlife living free. These places are worth the journey. They offer quiet moments and stunning views. They remind us of how wild and wonderful the world can be. Walking these paths, you find a new sense of wonder, and maybe even a new favorite place. Every visit is a chance to reconnect with nature. It is a time to slow down, breathe deeply, and open your eyes to the small miracles all around. California's secret coast is not just a destination, it is a way to see the world with fresh eyes. So, pack your backpack, grab your camera, and head out to explore. Discover the magic where mountains kiss the ocean. Let these hidden gems inspire you. The coast is calling and adventure is waiting around every turn.